This is Paul Wett with www.wetttraderllc.com giving you the forecast for the week ending. I believe it's going to be 6/24, folks. 6/24 is Friday's date. We have a lot of action going on today. Had a huge key reversal here. Had a nice buy for a 5-day low. This last current week that we just had. Here we had the low, lined up with the time. Low was 40.75. If you look at the buy numbers, we're at 42.75 with 2 points past it, 6 points to confirm on a close and a breakout of the high, which we did here, higher high. So, folks, what are we going to do now? Now we're going to try to run it to a 5-bar high, I believe, folks, a 5-bar high. We still have a high here on the weekly, so I'm not sure how close we're going to get to an actual 5-day high on the weekly. We are right at the PP for the monthly. We've already tested the low, 2047 for the month now, folks. So this is still June 24th. So maybe our monthly low's in, folks. I do not know, but we might be getting close. High, 2119. That's a pretty impressive high. 2126, 7 points off. So, folks, we're right at the high. 20 for the month so far. 2119.75, 2126.50. We've already hit the low. 2044, 2040. Wow, 74 and a quarter. 78's where we're at right now. So we're technically right back where we started, right in the middle of the range, folks. Right in the middle of the range. So at WettTraderLLC.com, folks, all you got to do is turn it on and click. Moving averages cross, time and day. This is looking like a very serious head and shoulder bottom, folks. Very, very serious. I do not like the gapping action only because I know a lot of gaps get filled. I would not want to have these gaps filled if this is going to be a head and shoulder bottom. We can't penetrate that. Here's our neckline here, folks. So the shoulder right here, we could come back and try to fill this gap here. Big gap here, big gap. So this was the close. So technically we could sell and try to fill the gap. But like I said, if we get a substantial close above here and then a retest here, we could be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, to retest this high at 21.10. Now, this, folks, is the high for the June contract, although we did get up to 19 on the front month contract, folks. So, good, strong possibility. We're going to try to continue on our run. Chug, chug, chug. Although we had a key reversal down here, we had confirmation. We had a retracement here, a buy. We still got to come up back up into here. So we're back up above that moving average. We also got that gap at the highs there. And like I said, folks, when we came back down on this was contract expiration on the June contract. People rolling into September. So we got a big gap here. And we got a gap here. So that's interesting. 2060 gap. 2113. Lots of room there, folks. Lots of room. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, if we could come up to this area here at this 2079... come back and maybe fill the gap here. This might be a head and shoulder reversal to point us towards filling this gap. So, folks, www.wetttraderllc.com. You don't need to know where the market's going. All you got to do is point and click, baby. Point and click. If this is our low, we want to run it to the high. All we want to do is look at the PP. We have a breakout. These are things you'll learn with the manual. And that's the areas where you want to buy. www.wetttraderllc.com, folks. Get the free demo, man. Let's walk you through it. Let's make you some money. www.wetttraderllc.com.